Hi! Welcome to the vlog! Click and subscribe!
From the Rhine Falls in Switzerland, we began our journey to Titisee, Germany. Titisee Neustadt is a municipality in southern Black Forest nature in southwest Germany. It takes almost 1 hour journey from Rhine Falls to Titisee. The journey was really exciting by enjoying the natural landscape on either side of the road. Here we are approaching the border of Switzerland and Germany. First comes border checkpost of Switzerland. Then here is the border checkpost from the German side.
See a blue color signboard
Now we ended in Germany.
that says Republic Deutschland. So now we are driving on to the Black Forest area. Where this is a small village on the border named as Bloomberg.
Here we can see a wonderful village which is at border. The name of the village is Bloomberg. Source of Danube River, the second largest river in Europe, is situated in this area. Wow! Finally we reached at Titisee.
And that's the beautiful town of Titisee.
Yes.
Welcome to the vlog! Click and subscribe!
Titisee is at the southern part of the Black Forest area. This area is very famous for the most popular cuckoo clock. Cuckoo. The sound resembles something, right? That's it. The magic of cuckoo clock is it runs using gravity and not on electricity. However, of late there are battery run cuckoo clocks too. It works as the weights drop over the day and the pendulum moves forth and back, making the clock's hand to move. The very first cuckoo clock was made around 1730 by a German clockmaker, Franz Anton Ketterer, in the Black Forest village of Schönwald. Centuries later, the famous Cuckoo clock is very popular around the globe for its beauty and amazing technology.
Demonstration of the cuckoo clock.
Right, here.
Perfect. Over here.
Every half an hour they're gonna be once a cuckoo, and the full hour the time is going on, like 8 o'clock 8 time cuckoo, 10 o'clock 10 time, 2 o'clock 2 time. So there is a switch, we can also switch them off. Now we have no any sound of cuckoo. The clock is working continuously. That means no cuckoo, but it is working very normal. Just turn it on and there we go.
I do find it very interesting. So I bought one cuckoo clock too. You pay the money here and they would courier it to India or anywhere in the world. It took 6 weeks to reach the clock in my hands. Now, let's enjoy the famous Titisee lake. Titisee Lake is a very popular glacial lake in Germany's Black Forest.
You are the best for this. No? That's good.
water of Titisee Lake stretches out before you, a vast expanse of emerald green, so clear you can see the smooth, round pebbles on the lake bed near the shore.
So, where did you visit in Kerala? Munnar. For how many days?
Just a couple of days, like
Couple.
4 days.
4 or 5, something like that. We've been in India for a full month.
Oh, so that's great. How did you like India? Do you like or?
Yeah,
Yes.
we like,
But
we like the food.
in India, the life is quite fast, right?
yeah.
Here it is very, very, very.
Taj Mahal.
No, not in North India, just Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu and Kerala.
Okay, Andhra Pradesh, which place? Hyderabad?
Hyderabad, that's where we started, yeah.
Yeah, Hyderabad we started. And Chennai?
Ramoji Film City.
No. Munnar, how many days? 4 days?
Hyderabad, we tried this mutton biryani.
Oh, mutton biryani.
was
Love?
spicy.
It's spicy. It's spicy. Normally, Indian dishes are spicy one.
Yeah,
Okay.
we like spicy, but this was a bit too spicy.
Yeah. What's a good name, sir? Your name? Yeah. Yeah. So again, you can come. Welcome to India. You can come to India and enjoy India. You know. This.
They're from Switzerland.
Yeah, definitely.
We live in Interlaken.
Interlaken.
Interlaken. I don't know. We are quite know. Yesterday night we reached here. Okay, today we came over there. A couple of days.
Switzerland is in the mountains. It's where the highest train station in Europe is very close.
Yeah, yeah. It's quite good place. A very lovely place.
Very
We,
clean.
very clean. We can say heaven in the earth. We can say heaven in the earth. It's a really lovely place. Okay? So we loved, and the people are also very good, very cooperative. Okay. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Neues Warten on the Black Forest.
Oh, it's all
Unweit von Feldberg liegt der Feldsee. Von dort aus fließt das klare Wasser durch das Seebachtal
The
und
tower at the top.
Perhaps top, I can see it cover.
That's the highest point in Schwarzwald.
Okay.
Black
Peak,
Forest.
peak. Okay.
Yeah, peak.
Titisee with clear water near the
Hiked up this
Seebachtal.
Oh, that's good.
Die Entstehung des Titisees lässt sich auf einen Gletscher der letzten Eiszeit vor rund 10.000 Jahren zurückführen. Der Titisee liegt 846 Meter über dem Meeresspiegel und bedeckt eine Fläche von etwa 1 Quadratkilometer. Er ist ca. 2 Kilometer lang, ungefähr 800 Meter breit und 40 Meter tief.
Titisee was formed by a glacier during the last ice age about 10,000 years ago. It lies 846 meters above sea level, covers an area of around 1 square kilometers, is around 2 kilometers long, around 800 meters wide, and 40 meters deep.
Der Titisee ist sehr fischreich. Es gibt fast alle Arten von Süßwasserfisch.
One should not miss this amazing boat journey once you reach us at Titisee. It's a memory of stillness, beauty, and the simple joy of being on the water, surrounded by the timeless magic of Black Forest.
seen over there. Just